Imagine 30 of the world's top mathematicians creating 300 impossible problems specifically designed to stump artificial intelligence, and then watching in absolute shock as AI solved most of them correctly. This actually happened in a secret meeting with OpenAI's latest model, and mathematicians compared it to a high-level PhD student. But that's just the beginning of what AI and robotics achieved this year. Speaking of shocking developments, a single email can now steal your company's most sensitive data through Microsoft 365 Copilot thanks to a zero-day vulnerability called EchoLink. The attacker doesn't even need you to click anything. They just send what looks like an innocent email, and AI systems start leaking classified information. Meanwhile, Disney and Universal are going to war with AI. They're suing Midjourney for creating perfect copies of Minions, Shrek, Yoda, and Spider-Man. This lawsuit could force AI companies to pay licensing fees for every copyrighted character they've been trained on, potentially costing millions. But here's where it gets really wild. There's now an AI browser called Dia that can see every tab you have open, draft emails in your writing style, and perform tasks completely autonomously. It's like having a digital assistant that knows exactly how you work. Now let's talk about robots doing the impossible. In Shanghai, 432 walking robots just moved 3 historic buildings weighing 7,500 tons. Each robot could carry 10 tons, move 360 degrees, and work together with AI sensors to relocate these massive 1920s buildings without causing a single crack. They move them 10 meters per day with surgical precision. But robots aren't just moving buildings, they're taking over kitchens. The X-Pizza Cube robot can pump out 100 perfect pizzas per hour, reducing labor costs by 80%. For just $1,300 per month, any pizzeria can have a robot chef that never gets tired, never calls in sick, and makes every pizza exactly the same. And get this, Norwegian startup 1X created Neo, a humanoid robot powered by an AI called Redwood that can wash clothes, water plants, and handle household chores with almost human-like precision. It learns from both successes and failures, and here's the kicker, it operates entirely offline for complete privacy. Sam Altman from OpenAI just dropped some mind-blowing predictions. Robots will start handling our daily tasks by 2027, and within 10 to 15 years, we'll see scientific progress at speeds never witnessed in human history. He believes AI will make intelligence as cheap as electricity, and while all current professions might disappear, it could usher in unprecedented prosperity. Amazon is already proving this vision. They're using over 750,000 robots in warehouses and could save $7 billion by 2032 by replacing human delivery drivers with robots. They've even built obstacle courses to teach robots how to deliver packages to your front door. The UK's National Health Service announced that by 2035, 90% of surgeries will be robot-assisted, dramatically reducing waiting times. Coco Robotics has 1,300 delivery robots that have already completed over 500,000 deliveries across major cities, with plans for 10,000 robots on streets by 2026. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Here's what's absolutely mind-bending. MIT researchers just trained robots using only 20 minutes of data from people wearing smart glasses, achieving a 70% success rate on complex tasks. We're witnessing the convergence of AI and robotics at a pace that's frankly terrifying and exciting at the same time. The question isn't whether this technology will change everything, it's whether we're ready for a world where robots think like humans, solve impossible problems, and handle our daily lives. What do you think? Are we heading toward a robotic paradise or something more complex? Let me know in the comments below.